If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than a...
What's up, my beautiful babes? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Noelle, aka Noe, for those of you who don't know me. And if you want to get to know me, then hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, and thank you for stopping by. You know you tuned into Noe's Diary. As you can see by the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing a revamp or an old install as a beginner myself. Yes, it is wig season. It is cold, guys. It's time to put your hair away, and that means I am going to be wearing wigs this winter. As you can see, I am already wearing, this is just a glueless wig, but I'm going to be putting a whole installation, and this is going to be a bob wig. But first, before we get into that, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I have now hit 100 subscribers and I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. It has motivated me. Yeah, I'm lost for words, and all I want to say is thank you so much for your support. If you comment, if you share, also even if you watch, it's such a big help on this channel. And also, let's just continue, let's just grow as babes on this channel. I'm excited for what more this channel can bring and what more I can do. But with no further delay, let's get into this video. I know you guys are here to see me install and slay a good old wig. Let's go. Okay, so this is the gal. She's not bad. She's not bad at all, yeah. But she does need a little TLC. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wash this. I'm going to show you the whole process. I'm going to wash this and then I'm going to install it as well. And then after that, I will be showing you how I'm going to style this wig. So the first thing I do is I thoroughly wash my wig out because I don't want to have any oiliness or any product left in this wig, and I do want to blow dry this hair, so that is why I'm making sure that I'm washing it very clean, and then I go in with this conditioner as well, and it really does soften this hair. This hair is really good quality, and as you can see, it's super shiny, and that's exactly what I want and what I love.
We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what.
Now that that's done, I'm going to be drying the inside of the wig and then just roughly drying the outside, but it's still keeping it damp.
All black seats, creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money and a thing. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, baby, when we gon' slide. Slide. If we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get around, doing our thing, moving too fast.
So I'm not a professional. I actually identify as a beginner when it comes to installing a wig, and as you can see, I did not do this was not a clean install. I did try my best, but it did come out very nice, as you will see towards the end of the video. I did have to do this in sections because it's much more easier for me. I feel like if I do it all together, then for some reason it becomes too forward, like the wig sits too low on my forehead and it does not look nice. So that is why I do it in sections, and then I go in with a melting band as well, just to make sure that each section that I have done is melted in and it's laid real flat in front.
I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they act this boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, cause you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close, know your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you sick. I ain't gotta know what's trying to be, I know your vibe. Speak the fuck like you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up this lease of the brand new ride.
Going too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money anything. We up till 6 in the morning when it's sunrise.
Then I go in with this product. This is like a blow lotion, and it kind of actually keeps your hair very soft and helps with the styling process. I love this wig. Like, even when it's feeling wet, it looks amazing. It's giving Tiana Taylor. If you know, you know, you know. And then I go in with this blow brush. This is the volumizing brush from Safeway. You can get it at Clicks. I got mine on promotion, and this is a game changer. Like, it gives body, it also dries the hair, and I can style it. It's giving that 90s blowout type feel. So that's what I was actually going for when I was doing this bob, because it's so smooth, and you will see as my hair gets drier, you can start to see the layers that I did previously cut on this wig. Then I felt like changing up the hairstyle because I did cut a fringe on this wig, and I kind of wanted to see how it would look with a fringe out. So yeah, I'm just trying to find a style, but this hair was so silky. As you can see, it literally falls in any direction, and I love that about this bob. It's really giving bob. this is the final result. This is actually my favorite wig now. The quality of this hair is amazing. It literally feels like real hair, and I've had this for like 4 or 5 years and it still gives. Like, just look at it, it moves. So yeah, this is definitely going to be my new favorite wig, even though I've had this for like many years. But I'm going to be wearing this quite often this winter. I feel like it's short, I can wear it as a wet look, I can play with it. Like, really, I don't have to wear it in this style. I can just push it all to the back. Like, it's just so versatile. And I actually customized this wig. It was my very first wig, and I customized it. I just didn't have much experience when it came to wigs, but for a first time buy and as a beginner, I must say I did do well. And also I did cut it by myself, so that's why it's not as like even. But yeah, I mean, the mistakes I did back then really did help me today, because now I know exactly how to work a wig. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please leave a comment down below as well. And thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, peace and love.